This is, yeah. You can straight see. I know. Huh? Oh, shoot. I ain't gonna lie, I can't do it. It's too scary. It's too scary. Imagine falling through this bitch. You think you just look and you just fall through. Here come a car.
I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things.
Oh, shoot.
Any other man tryna get in the bed, so I'ma get slouched instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you?
Size 35.
I know you like it when I tell you what you want. You can pay everything. I can tell your friends you your mom got money. You like to go slow.
It moves.
But would you go faster?
It all is VR.
Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly.
Which one is this?
So I'ma get slouched instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you?
Look in the inside. It
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Like this, I'm